Hello and welcome back. This is a part 2 video on the 2015 Chevrolet Silverado short bed, short cab, two-wheel drive 5.3. Just wanted to continue this. My last video got cut off midstream there, so we're just going to make it a part 2. Okay, just so I can crank the truck up for you and let you check out the mileage. Let you look underneath the hood. Underneath the hood is impressive too. Truck has got just a little bit over 123,000 on it. This truck is just in lovely shape. There we go. Okay, let's check out underneath the hood. Like I was saying before, it is just as clean underneath the hood as it is anywhere else on the truck. And by the way, the underside of this truck is just as clean as the rest of it I've showed you. If anybody needs a link, you can message me. I might even drop the link to additional pictures in the comments section. I'll have probably 100 and some odd pictures of the truck posted on Flickr. Quiet as a church mouse. It's just a great truck. It's hard to find this combination of the regular cab, short bed V8 two-wheel drive, and it's even harder to find them as nice as this one. One other thing that I did not add in the first video that I will add now is sitting on slanted ground, but I did lower the rear of the truck basically to level it. And what I did that with 2-inch McGaughey's drop springs and 2-inch McGaughey's drop shackles, and I did use the McGaughey's what they call lowering shocks or drop shocks on it to do that. So what it has basically done is just leveled the truck out. A little bit hard to tell that on a slanted ground like this, but I did it with the right parts. It is not, I repeat, not C-notched in the rear. I will not cut the frame on one of my trucks. It rides just like it did from the factory. Okay, good riding truck. I do have the suspension that came out from the underside of it. If anybody wanted to put that back under it, they can have it with the truck. I'm not going to use it. Again, thanks so much for looking. Let me roll around here and cut her off. It does also, just because I want to show you everything I can about the truck, it does also have all of the originals, owner's manuals, all that type of stuff, and it does have the window sticker in there with the truck. This is my personal vehicle. I'm not a dealer, I'm just an individual, and I love short bed Chevy pickup trucks. And I like to buy one, I like to kind of put my spin on it, and then I'll keep it for a while, I'll sell it, and I'll buy me another one and do the same thing. I mean, it's like wash, rinse, and repeat. I love it. This will make somebody a great truck. Fly in anywhere you want to, drive it home. Fresh alignment on the truck. Tires are 80%. No weird wear patterns on any of the tires. They're Continentals, and I can't remember when they were manufactured, but they're not super old. Again, thank you for looking. Subscribe and like. Watch out for more things coming down the road. Great truck for someone. Thanks again for looking. We'll see you next time.